how to add or manage products on your Wish website. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Now over here you can see I have this store option over on my site. Now I have to click on this store and leave it, and then there is the option of manage products down here. I have to click on that. As I click on that option, now it will take some time to take me to the manage product web page, so it is gonna come soon. Now over here is our manage product option. Now over here in here I can manage my products by clicking in on this product and deleting this product, or I can change the value of this product by clicking on that product. As that product's open, then I can change the price of that product whatever I want. So that's where I am going to change the price of that good on $7-8 something, and it's gonna be this dollars, and this is my profit, and this is my margin, and this is all of the things that I want to show you how to manage your products on Wix.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.